You eat like that?
Yeah. How does this even swim? Seafood boil. So Susie, I can get look at
Die. We was in the 20 doing 5-5. Had the best friend telling me she like mine. Had my left hand gripping up her right side. Whoa, the right side. She my side.
Welcome to my kitchen. Yes, it's quarantine time. I'm gonna start doing kitchen editions of me basically making food from home. And yeah, something different. This is my kitchen. You know, making food. Chef Flaviaa tea and that. Chef Flaviaa tea and that. First of all, thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new, hello, welcome. The name is Flaviaa. If you're not, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how I made a seafood boil. I'm so excited. I haven't done this before, so it's a thing where like you gotta try something new. So let me just pick this up again because I'm so proud of my work. Stay tuned to see how I made this seafood boil. Obviously guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to join the family and to keep updating my content. Right, so these are the ingredients we have here. We have Canadian whole cooked lobster from Morrison's, sweet corn, we have some eggs because I'm gonna put some eggs in it. We have parsley, paprika, crayfish flavor stock, yeah, butter, some king prawns, lemon juice. You can't forget your lemon juice, guys. What do you call this? Minced garlic.
Garlic.
Yeah, minced garlic though. Minced garlic. Some cooked mussels. I don't know about this. I can't lie. Cooked seafood selection. So this has like
Squid.
okay, squid, mussels, and some prawns inside. And we have more mussels. Do you like mussels?
You don't want to put it on.
Okay, 'cause I don't really like mussels, but so that's what we have, and I'm literally just gonna follow suit. That's what I'm gonna do. I just looked at you. So I'm just gonna follow suit. I'm gonna make a seafood boil because I have been craving it. Why not make it at home? Okay, first step, we're gonna season all our foods. You're not gonna be in the camera, man? No? You scared? My mom's just in the background. She's scared, guys.
Oh, man. I tell you I'm scared.
I'm dead.
Why? Can I be scared? I don't think so.
We're gonna drain this because obviously it's got water inside, so I'm gonna drain it in my sieve. I'm really scared. I don't know if I'm gonna make it good. I'm gonna be cooking it in this because it's just big enough, so I'm gonna be cooking in this. Right now, I'm literally just putting water on the prawns because, yeah, they're a little bit frozen. So I'm just gonna basically speed up the process of defrosting them. Just cutting the potatoes and prepping on the other things because it's just long. It's just long to do on camera, so I'm just cutting potatoes. My mum is just boiling the egg and yeah, we'll be back.
Everything clear, but 2 4 in the piece. I don't need it. Let's talk with it. 2-seater. Wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. Hop off, I think of my pants. Hop off, I just do a check when I land. 2 4 in the piece. I don't need it. Let's talk with it. 2-seater. New bitch wanna fuck in my AP. New freezer. Hop off, I think of my pants. Hop off, I just do a check when I land. Money way. Diamonds. Like. I'm up for spinning dick on the neck. I finna plug on 3-way.
Right, so I'm gonna melt the butter. I'm using this butter, the posh one, you know. What's it called? President butter. Unsalted. I'm only gonna use half of it, and obviously later if I need to add more. Y'all can't even see me. Let me just move you guys up quick. Cool. So I'm only gonna use half of it. If later I want to add more, I'll add more later, but I'll use half of it right now. So get a big knife, you know, cut half. Bring the water to the boil. Right, I'm now, whilst I'm waiting for this to heat up, because I'm going to melt the butter, I'm gonna season my prawns, my mussels, my shrimps, and yeah. I've drained it all. Look at that, look at that. So now I'm gonna season it lightly. Some paprika. Mirador, if you guys know, you know. I'm gonna add some parsley. And I'm just gonna mix this all together. I'm not going to add salt because prawns have salt. Not bad. Right, so that's seasoned. Lovely. Not too much because we're gonna put it in the sauce, of course. Now I'm going to move on to melting the butter. Right, so as you can see, child. As you can see, the eggs are boiling. I'm gonna melt the butter here.
Wow.
I'm now gonna add my garlic. Gonna add some paprika and some parsley. We're also gonna add some lemon juice, guys. Lemon juice, not too much, but not too little. Guys, if only you can see. Can you even see? It looks burnt, but it's not burnt. I'm now gonna add crayfish seasoning. Now I'm gonna add my, what is this?
Seafood.
Yeah, my seafood. And I'm gonna add my onions too. Right, so this pot is too small, so I'm gonna change it to the bigger one. The big moment. I'm gonna try and taste it, see if it tastes good. It looks good, but does it taste good? Okay, I took a prawn because I love prawns. I can't lie, it tastes nice. So now I'm gonna add the potatoes and the sweet corn.
With that mash.
I'm gonna use some pepper sauce. I'm not gonna put too much because
Peppery taste.
yeah, not too much though, because obviously your system.
Come out a lot.
Look at that.
It's nice, isn't it?
Look at that.
It's good to cut it.
Why?
You eat like that.
Yeah. How does this even swim? But it looks so nice. Okay, I'm gonna add this in now. I want to give you guys a closer look. Obviously, you got the potatoes boiling as well. Got the sauce, got the sweet corn, got the lobster in the middle. We're gonna add the eggs in a bit. But yeah, that's what it looks like right now, guys. You guys can't even tell me this does not look good. Guys, I'm excited to eat this. This looks so good. But I'm so excited. Let me talk to y'all real quick, yeah? I'm gonna make this little kitchen, Flaviaa's kitchen, a thing right now because quarantine has got us literally scratching our necks to find ideas. So this is really fun. I love cooking, I love food. So why don't I make my own stuff for y'all? Like, it's gonna be really interesting. When my dad came downstairs, yeah, and I was making the food, he was just looking at the food like, listen, but you'll be the first person to eat it, trust me, because it's to trust the progress. That's what it is with this stuff. You need to trust the progress. But yeah, like, I think I might make this a thing. Cooking with FT, what do you guys think? Yeah, it's a thing. Come on, I know you're smiling. Cooking with FT is a thing. I'm gonna try and make it fun as well, like interesting things. But yeah, guys, this is Flaviaa's kitchen. You heard, this is Flaviaa's kitchen. I hope you guys enjoy this video, you know. I actually feel sorry for the people that are hungry after watching this. I love you though, but I feel so sorry for you. I'm gonna now add the eggs into... I thought my elbows were dry for a second. Oh my gosh. Embarrassing. Guys, do you know what I forgot? Do you know what I actually forgot? Hold on, guys. Hold on. I don't think you guys are deep in it with me. Do you know what I forgot? I forgot. Deep the sunlight hit my face though. I forgot to play music. Oh my days, I forgot. But we're gonna play music now. We're finna turn up in my kitchen, you know. Finna turn up. Hey, you guys are not ready.
Tonight's the night, we feel too comfortable. Tonight's the night, I'm wanting you. I've been running around in the sea, you may feel big pain. When I'm calm.
It's basically done. I'm just letting it boil. So this is literally the finishing result. guys. So this is literally the finishing result. Yeah, I literally just let it boil for a second. I added a little bit more water so there's more like, you know the sauce. But yeah, so that's actually what it looks like. I don't want to hear anybody tell me I can't cook, because that, sweet. I'm gonna prove my dad wrong as well, because he was looking at the food like, But now look, it's basically done. Just turn off the cooker. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, I didn't think I'll be able to do this. Obviously my mom helped me as well, praise to her. But it's like, I'm a big girl now. I can cook seafood boil at home, you feel me? I don't need to be going out and paying for it. I can make it at home, and that's on period. I'm so excited to eat it. But yeah, so obviously that's the seafood boil that I made, FT my mummy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be releasing more cooking with me, staying lit with FT, but it's nice to try new things. So yeah, I hope you guys come back and return to Flaviaa's kitchen. Yeah, stay tuned for more stuff like this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching it. Don't forget to obviously like, comment and subscribe to join the family. You heard? Subscribe. But yeah, I hope you guys stay well, stay blessed, and take care. Well, yeah, it was no. I just wanted to make that. I don't like sufficient for the fight. So Susie, I could get look at you man, you said, oh, you jelly.